Hello students, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to start a new topic from geometry. The topic name is area. Okay, that is from geometry. Now the previous chapter from geometry, quadrilateral and parallelogram we have already finished. So today we are going to start a new chapter, that is area. Okay, so be ready for that. Again I am following R.S. Agarwal math book of class 9. So without delaying the time, let's start. Area from geometry, class 9, chapter name is area. Topic is geometry. Okay, now this is chapter number 10 in my R.S. Agarwal book. Okay, so let's start. First we have to know about the concept what is area. Now we have definitely earlier concept about area, and today this is your classwork for today. So write down it in your classwork copy. First, what is area? Now if we take this board, okay, so the area should be this middle portion that cover in the board, that is called the area. Understood that? That is the whole portion, whole this white portion, this is called the area of this board. Understood? Next, if we take geometrical figures, suppose this is my first geometrical figure, triangle, a rectangle, okay, a parallelogram, what is the area? The dotted portion. Dotted portion are called the area of the concerned figure. This figure, these are the area. Okay, have you understood that? Now interior of a triangle. So all of you know that this is interior. This is interior. Okay, interior of a parallelogram. This portion is interior, and this outer portion is exterior. This portion is interior. This outer portion is exterior. Okay. Next, you have area axiom. So here some definitions are given in your book. In my book, it is page number 335, but chapter name is area from geometry. Now, interior and exterior of a triangle. What is interior? This is the exterior, this is the interior, and these parts are these are exterior. Okay. Next, move to triangular region. A union of a triangle and its interior is called triangular region. A union of triangle and its interior is called the triangular region. That is not the outer of the triangle, the inner region with this side, inner region with its side, that is called the interior of the triangle. Next, polygonal region. What is polygonal region? The union of a polygon and its interior. This interior of a polygon with its region, that is called the polygonal region. Okay, the interior of a parallelogram with its region is called the polygonal region of this. Okay, so similarly for triangle, the interior region is the interior region. Next, area axiom. Every polygonal region R has an area measured in square unit is denoted by area R. That is, if we take this as region R, then its area is denoted by AR. Okay. For a polygonal region R1 and R2, if we take two polygons, that is, this is one polygon and this is another polygon. Okay, this is another polygon. So if we take this region as R1, this region as R2, so the area of this region is denoted by AR1, area of this denoted by AR2. Okay, now it should be possible, area axiom, in area axiom it should be possible. So this is A. Next come to B. For polygonal region R1 and R2, for polygonal region R1 and R2, polygonal region R1 and R2, this is the R1, this is my R2. Okay, if we set it out, that what happened? First is, if R1, if it, that is R1 may be equal to R2 or not equal to R2 or less than R2. Okay, so that's implying, that should imply area of R1 equal to area of R2. Okay, if region are same, then area of R1 if means if region R1 and region R2 are both likely same region, so the area of their area should be same. Next, second property, if R1 R2, that is this means if we draw two figure, that is first is I am drawing, this is my R2 and this is my R1. Okay, so these are the two region. So here we can see that this is the bigger region, this is the smaller region. So this region should contain over here, this region should contain over here. So that means R1 is less or equal to R2. Understood that? R1 is less or equal to R2, not less or equal to. This sign means this region should contain over here. This region should be contained over here. That is, if we put this region over here, this comes, this is R1. Okay, so this region should contain over here. It should be maybe equal to this region or smaller from this region. That is, the value should be like that, or it should be R1 should be like this, means both are same R1. That is also possible, but this region is not, should be bigger from this region. Okay, so for that this implying area of R1 is less or equal to area of R2. Okay, understood that? Next, move to another thing.